how are you doing? I'm so glad you've come back to watch my video, and if you're new to my channel, my name is evamaud. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that red button down below. Anyways, Merry Christmas to you guys and Happy Holidays for those who don't celebrate Christmas. But I'm going to wish you in advance because this is the last Christmas video that I'm filming, so other videos are going to come after Christmas. So I thought I am not going to miss the opportunity and I'm going to wish you now only. So this is the look, and if you like this look and if you would want to know how to get this look, keep on watching.
To start with my face is done prepped with the base, and I will leave the link on the card above so you can go and check that out. So I will directly jump into the eye makeup. So the whole idea is to go very simple with the eye. It's a very classic gold look, and here I'm using the eyeshadow by Sephora in the shade Hawaiian Beach. It goes on very easily, so I'm going to apply it with my brush, but you can just go in with your fingers, which you will see me do it. Then going ahead with this My Glam matte lip crayon in the shade Terra, I am going to cover the outer section of my eye. It's a nice brown color and it's a very beautiful transition shade for the crease, so that is what I am going to use. Now I use my fingers, and in the end I just use the brush to blend everything well. Now for my mascara, I am using the Rimmel waterproof mascara, and this is something I am coating. I am obsessed with this mascara, so I have gone very generously. But if you're somebody who prefers wearing false lashes, you can go ahead with that and then coat your lashes. Next up is the same lip crayon by My Glam, and I'm going to use it to contour my face. So this is a lip crayon which I am using on my cheek area, and just small strokes of line on my nose just to add a bit of warmness to my face. Make sure when you're using crayons like this, just apply it on one part of your face and blend it. This formula ended up being very matte, so I found it very hard to blend it, but I ended up blending it anyway. I had to go a little hard on my skin, which I don't appreciate. So make sure you always blend it immediately. Then taking this blush by My Glam K.PLAY in the shade Juicy Strawberry number 02, I am going to apply it on the apples of my cheek and also cover my nose because I like a good rosy nose and a chin. Next up is this Illuminator by Miss Claire, and it's in the shade Gleam, I believe, and that's something I'm going to apply on the higher points of my face. But after that, I'm going to again go in with the eyeshadow that I used on my eye just to go over the highlighter. So for my lip, I'm using True Matte by Nicka in the shade Shiraz, and this is something that I'm wearing. I know it's clashing a little bit with the outfit, but I was filming two videos simultaneously, and that is why there was a little bit of outfit confusion that happened, and at the end of the day, I did not change it. You get the idea.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful and you will try and recreate this look, and if you do, please tag me in your pictures. I would love to see it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to share it with friends and family. On that note, I am signing off, but this time I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, all the love and happy holidays. And as we're celebrating Christmas, the greatest gift that God has given us humans, I hope you are filled with love, joy and His peace. Take care and have fun.